Hi, welcome back. So today I am going to discuss the C equations which are asked 2015 started. So this is the first question. So in this question we are asked what is the output for this program. So let's start here from the main. Let's start. So here three variables are being declared with integer type. Then f1 is a function which is being called. So here you can see that swapping is done here within this particular function, but as this is a call by value, so nothing gets reflected. As call by value we know that the value does not get interchanged. Then coming to this second function f2 with ampersand b and ampersand c. So here, so this is a call by reference. So here b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 6, it is being declared already here. So here here you can see that swapping is done, and from the swapping what happens that b is equal to 6 and c is equal to 5 is being done. Then coming to this print statement, you can see that one formula is given, c minus a minus b. So here what is the value of c after swapping? So it is 5. Your value of a is still 4 because nothing is being reflected, nothing is there talking about a. So a remains the same, a is equal to 4 minus b is equal to 6. So here it is 5 minus 10. So your answer is minus 5. So the answer for this question is a, minus 5. So coming to the next question. So here also we are asked what is the output for the given code, and here they had specified the address, that the address of x will start from 2000. Okay. So here an two-dimensional array they had considered, and they had declared it as int, and which is also unsigned. So here you can see that these are the values being stored within this array. So we can write in a simpler way 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So within the first location you can see here 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then here 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12. Alright. So here as it is mentioned that starts from here, so it is as it is in x, so it will start from this location, and this is your 2000. So next this will be 2012. Why it is 2012? We know that here it is specifically given integer requires 4 bytes. So here we have three values 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 4 it is 12. So it is 2000 plus 12, it is 2012. Similarly again you add 12 locations, 12. So it will be 2024 this part, and this part it will be 2036. Okay. Now here coming this to this statement. So here they had given here x plus 3 plus, so what is x? So if we say that this is the x which is pointing to this location, then this is your x plus 1 location. It will be x plus 2, x plus 3, alright. So, now as here they are talking about x plus 3, so let us take this one, let us redraw it again. 10, 11, 12, this is 2, 0, 3, 6, x plus 3. We can also write in this way, right? So x plus 3, this is, it is pointing to this position. So what is this? It is 2036. Okay, it is 2036. Then pointer x plus 3. So pointer x plus 3 also it is pointing to this location only, right? Then this is also 2036. Then this one x plus 2 plus 3. So let us redraw again this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because from x plus 2 they are going to start, we have to draw till here. So here it will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So here where it start from 2024, then it will be 2028 because it is 4 bytes. Okay. Then 2032, 2036, 2040, 2044. As they are talking with pointers also. So here this is pointer x plus 2, right, this one. Then what it will be? This, what is this location? It is pointer x plus 2 plus 1. Then this location, it is pointer x plus 2 plus 2, and this location pointer x plus 2 plus 3. So here we are asked for x plus 2 plus 3. So x plus 2 plus 3 also it is pointing to 2036, right. So the answer for this question is this one. So in this question we have to see that how many times this printf statement is executed. We have to see the count. Okay. So let us start it. So here 3 variables are being declared. So 3 variables are declared and k is being initialized to 0. Then one formula is given. Let me write it again. 2 into 3 2.0 by 5 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5. Okay. So one thing you have to I think this one about the preferences of this various operations. So you know that plus is less preferred than these two, multiplication and division. Both these have same preference, but if we go from left to right, whichever operator you get first, if it is this one, so here it is, so this multiplication will be more preferred. So it is 2 into 3, 6 will be done first. You can do in this way, then this will be okay, and this is, sorry, it is less. Okay, this is 8 divided by 5. So let us do this one. So what we will get, it is 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now this is done because Here it is an integer declaration, integer data type. Next, k is equal to this one, k minus j. So, k is equal to k minus j. So, your k is being initialized to 0. So, here 0 minus your j is minus j. So, as it is a pre-decrement operator. So, first it will be reduced, then it will be in, so minus 2 it will be 1. So, your answer for k is minus 1. Then coming for this for loop. Okay. So, here first we will start with I is equal to 0 till I is equal to 5 we will do it. So, switch your I plus k. What is it? I plus k means 0 plus minus 1, it is your minus 1. So, when it is minus 1 you will print this one, right. So, printf once it is being executed, so count is equal to 1. Then coming to I is equal to 1. So, in that case, and your k remains same, k is equal to minus 1. So, it will be I plus k is equal to your 1 minus 1, it is 0. So, when it is 0 also again it will be default. So, your there will be 1 printf, that is count is equal to now plus plus. So, it was 1 initially, it is 2, okay, it is 1 time, it is the default. Here also it is printed, it is default. Okay. Then next coming to I is equal to 2 and k is equal to minus 1. Okay. So, I plus k is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, when so 2 minus 1 it is not 2, sorry 1. So, here you will come to case 1, then you will print case 2, case 3 default, because there is no break statement between these cases. So, how many times here it will print? It will print this one, it will print case 2, then case 3 and default. Okay. So, your count will increase, how many? It was initially 2. So, here this is 1, 2, 3. So, here 2 plus 3 it is 5. Now, I is equal to 3, k is equal to minus 1. So, I plus k is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, when you will get 3 minus 1 is 2. So, again 2, 3. So, you will print 2, 3 and default. So, same here. So, what you will print? Case 2, case 3 and default. Okay. So, here your count is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Then coming to I is equal to 4 and k is equal to minus 1, your I plus k is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So, in that case here it will be case 3 and default, case 3 and default. So, your count is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Then I is equal to 5, but 5 less than 5, this condition is not fulfilled, and your loop will exit here, and it will return, So, it will go the function after it returns from this switch statement, the control will go within this main function. So, number of time printf statement is executed is, so when we have checked the printf every time, so we have got how many? 10. So, 10 times our printf statement will be executed for this given C program. So, with this we come to an end on today's video. Hope you had understood it. Till then, bye bye.